want to convey to someone?
Yeah, see, some of the fundamental issues which today's entrepreneurs face is the importance of value system. How valuable the values are. What I have found is, whenever you have debatable success stories, and whenever any success story gets conflicting signals, the only thing that sustains you or safeguards you from confusion is a strong value system. So values is not something which has to be artificially patched over you. It is something that comes within and helps you tremendously in the state of confusion and flux. That's what I feel.
Is there anything in particular you don't want to tell any entrepreneur beginning their journey other than this?
Yeah, another important thing is most of the people ask why a particular business succeeds and why a particular business fails. Fundamentally, business is not about running after profits or money. It is after running after solving a big problem. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger is your business model. So sustainability does not come because you want to earn money. Sustainability comes because you have solved a big problem. And another important thing is, what is wealth? Another most fundamental question which is raised by most of the people is, what is wealth? For us, the way we pursue it, wealth is a combination of profits, leadership and credibility. None of these in standalone would contribute to become a real wealth. What I mean is, profit alone or leadership alone or credibility alone would not make much of a sense. So blending of profits, credibility and leadership together would create a good wealth. And if one is focused on this, then it helps you to remain in track.
So what then, sir, would you say is your one single biggest achievement or the one single biggest challenge that you've overcome?
See, most of the times the biggest challenge is to remain focused when there are apparent signals of failure of your business model. When there are criticisms which sound higher and bigger, it is your conviction which matters. So according to me, the biggest challenge that you face in any business or even in life is to remain stuck to your conviction. And the deeper your conviction is, the easier it is for you to face the challenging systems and the challenging ecosystem.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.